Well, guys, I'm gonna go in here and wash my car because it's very dirty. So, yeah, and it's a good day to do it. So, let's go in here, guys. So, this is the bay to go in the car. Now, I'm going to scrub my car so I'll get all the dirt out. So guys, I just came home from car wash and no more bird poop in my car. It looks shiny and clean now. I really scrubbed them. There was a few bird poops around my windows. So yeah, is that nice of me? Of course, it's my car, right? Alright guys, that's the way how you do it. You gotta do it yourself. Because I don't want my husband do it because you know, he complains so much. So I did it. I like it because I like to scrub them, and you have to do it during weekdays when nobody there in the car wash, so you can scrub them really good. But anyway guys, that's all for now, and thank you much for watching, and please take care of yourself and each other, and I hope to see you soon. I love you guys, and that's all. Bye for now.